A very good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn unit number 2, neighborhood. Neighborhood means padosi. Okay? Do and learn. You have to do the activity and learn from this activity. Okay? Listen carefully. Good neighbors. अच्छे पड़ोसी. Let us see. Draw and color the part of your neighborhood. You have to draw and color the part of your neighborhood you love, which you love too much. Suppose it may be a park, a cinema, a playground, or something else. Tell your classmates why you love it. You have to draw and color this neighborhood, okay? Next, make a friendship band. You have to make a friendship band. See this. Which things you will need? A thin chart paper. This is the paper. Thin paper. Okay. A stapler. Next, a pair of scissors. Next, a ruler and a pencil. These things you will need to make a friendship band. Friendship band. Okay. Follow the steps given below and make a friendship band. Remember to fold the paper. First, see this paper. You have to fold it in the direction shown by the arrows. So here given the arrows. Next, there again fold it. Next, make a single or plain paper. Then turn around. You have to turn it. Make it round shape. Okay. After that you can staple it. Okay, dear students. So do this activity at your home. Enjoy it. And draw the picture which you love most. Now see the second chapter, Good Neighbors. This is the lesson. We are going to read this lesson now. I am going to read this lesson. Good neighbors means अच्छे पड़ोसी. See the warm up. Do you have friends in your neighborhood? Do you have friends in your neighborhood? How do you spend time with them? How do you spend the time with them? This is the question for you. What you do with your friends during this time with your friend? Take turns and speak about your friends to your elbow partner. You have to say and speak what you have done with your friends, with your neighborhood. You tell it about your friends to your elbow partner. Elbow means who is very close to you. Or you can tell now to your parents also. Okay, students, let us read the lesson. Let us read about two children from the same neighborhood who became friends. Let us read the two children from the same neighborhood who became friends. How they became friends? Let us read. You have to read this sentence and repeat the words with me. Okay, dear kids. After school one winter day. After school one winter day. Winter day, do you know? In this winter day it is too cold. Atmosphere. Jack's mother told him to go out and play in the snow. Jack's mother told. Here Jack is the character and his mother second. Jack and mother. What the Jack mother told him? To go out and play in the snow. But it is so cold outside. So cold because of winter season. Mother, he said to her mother, his mother, Mother, it's so cold outside, mother. Jack said, put on your coat and your hat and your gloves. His mother said, you have to put on means wear. You have to wear the coat, hat and your gloves. You can build a snowman before your father comes home. You can build your snowman. You can build the snowman with the help of snow before your father comes home. When your father will return, till up to you have to make a snowman. Next line, I am going to need a carrot for the nose. Jack said. Jack said, I need the carrot. I need a carrot for the nose. And I shall need some things for the snowman's hat and face. He is telling, I need some things to make snowman's hat and face. Jack got a bucket and collected everything he needed to decorate his snowman. His mother promised she would watch him build the snowman from the window. From the window, her mother was watching. She has promised, I am watching you when you are making the snowman. Outside in his front yard, Jack started with a very small ball of snow. In front of their house, there is a yard, and he started to make a small ball to make a snowman. He got on his knees and rolled the snow into a big ball. And at another window, someone else was watching Jack play. It was new neighbor Noiko. Noko asked her mother if she could go outside and help Jack build his snowman. In front of when Jack was making a ball and making the snowman in front of their yard, at that time in front of their house, in their neighbors, who was there? Noko. She was watching Jack. She was watching to Jack, and she asked her mother. Noko is a girl. She was asking her mother, can I play outside? Can I help Jack to build his snowman? It is very cold outside. Are you sure you want to go out and play? Her mother asked. Yes, mother, Noko said. I will wear my coat, my hat, and my gloves. Noko's mother helped her put on her winter clothes and promised to watch her from the window. You can play until your father comes home, her mother said. Noko's mother said, help Noko to put on her clothes, winter clothes, and she has promised, her mother promised, I am watching you to make when you are making snowman. Okay? All of you have to read this lesson, half of lesson. Find out the new words from this lesson. Okay, dear students, read this lesson. Which words you have to write in notebook? First, neighbors. Write and learn the spellings. Then, neighborhood. Next, spend. Next spelling, winter. Next spelling, close. Then carrot, snowman, promise. Next collect. First collect, decorate, promise, yard, rolled. Next is, which is the spelling? Okay, enough. These are the new words you have to write in notebook and learn these words. Okay, dear kids?